We will start in a nice, relaxing child's pose. Knees apart. Bring your hands up, Anjali Mudra for shoulder stretch. And thread the needle, move on your left shoulder, send your left hand to your right, when your right hand is facing forward. And then swap sides, right shoulder, right hand facing left and left hand is extended forward. Breathe here. Nice abdominal breathing, encouraging parasympathetic nervous system. Response and then move on your back. Encourage your feet flat. Take a yoga block and place it under your sacrum. Supported bridge to release your lower back pain. To release your glutes, you can move your legs up if you wish, or stay still, or hug your knee into the chest. Move your foot to release your ankle and swap. Lift your left leg up and then hug your left knee into the chest. Start moving your left foot to release your left ankle. Or stay still, resting in a half bridge supported by yoga block. It's a very restful pose to practice before bedtime. And then release the block. Open your knees wide, join your feet together, Baddha Konasana.